Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's how-to video, I'll show you that my house is haunted. It's opening by itself. And you know, if there really are not any ghosts in your house, let me show you guys how to fix this issue. Let me teach you guys a little trick one of my carpenter friends taught me back in the day that I'm going to pass along to you. Just get yourself a little hammer, just get yourself a little punch so you can push this up and out here and just pull this out. Okay? So now that we have this here, so what you need is something to incline this with, and you're gonna it's kind of bending. I'm gonna give it a little bit more bend. See here. I think that's good enough. All right, so see the bend we have here now? That's gonna be enough resistance. So now that we have the little bend in there, hit this back in. All right, so let's see here. All right. Looks like problem solved. All right, I want to thank you all for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe if this video helped. Got many more how-to videos that'll surely help you all out.